Play zombies? You like playing zombies, don't you?
Let's play haunted house.
Haunted house and zombies?
Yeah.
That sounds scary.
Give yourself to the dark side. Join me.
Harry, it's coming from that door.
Oh yeah.
The zombie sounds are coming from that door.
Yeah.
Are you ready to go get them, Harry?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get them.
Yeah.
Dark side.
Don't close the door.
Join me, and I will complete your training.
There's one, Harry.
Wow.
Get him.
Ooh.
Oh, good job. All right.
It wrecks up in there.
Let's get all his
Join me.
let's get all his minions first.
Complete your training.
There's another one. Get him. Get him.
Ooh.
Oh, good job. Oh, he's down for the count, Harry. He's down for the count. All right, where's the other one? There was 3 of them. There he is. Get him.
Ooh.
Oh, all right. Whoa. All right. Now you ready to get the black zombie?
What?
Yeah, that evil, black evil zombie. There he is. There he is.
Get him.
Get him, Harry. Get him.
To the dark side. Join me, and I will complete your training. Dark side.
Get him again. It's gonna take you a couple times. Get him, Harry. Get him. There he is. All right, hold on. Did you get him? All right. Here, get him in the box. Get him in the box. We'll trap him. Evil zombie.
Give yourself to the dark side.
All right, we got him. We got him, Harry. We got the evil zombie.
Join me,
He's trapped.
and I will complete you.
Yeah, he's